Animal Rescue, Friendship, Teamwork. Chapter 1. The Peaceful Forest. In the heart of a lush green forest, all the animals lived in harmony. Owl, rabbits, bears. A land watched. Everyone had their role, and the forest thrived under the care of its many creatures. One day, a great storm swept through the land, shaking the trees and flooding the riverbanks. When the storm passed, the animals gathered to check on one another. They quickly realized that the youngest and smallest creatures had been separated from their families by the raging waters. The forest was in distress, and something had to be done. Chapter 2. The Call for Help. Berfine the owl flew to the tallest tree and called out to all the animals. "Friends, our home has been struck by a terrible storm. The young ones are lost, and we must bring them back safely. We must work together to save our family." Bears agreed. "All safe, then rest." The clever fox, Zelal, quickly devised a plan. "We must divide into teams. The birds will fly high and spot the lost ones. The deer will search through the dense forests. The bears will help move fallen trees, and the rabbits will dig paths for safe passage." Everyone agreed, and they set off on their mission. Ava the dove leads sparrows to rescue trapped squirrels. The tree was too heavy for the small animals to move. "Bears, we need your help," Ava called out. Rustum and his bear friends arrived, pushing the massive tree trunk aside with their strong paws. The tiny squirrels squeaked in delight and ran to their worried mother, who thanked the bears with happy tears in her eyes. Chapter 4. The River's Challenge. Meanwhile, near the river, a frightened fawn was stranded on a small island, cut off by the rushing waters. Strong current. Build a bridge. The beavers and the rabbits worked together, gathering fallen branches and stones to build a small crossing. The strong wolves carried the largest logs into place, while the birds dropped twigs to secure the structure. Slowly but surely, the bridge took shape. Fawn crossed bridge, Mom cheered. Chapter 5. The Final Challenge. As the animals continued their rescue mission, Berfine spotted something alarming: a group of baby birds stuck in their nest on a broken tree branch, swaying dangerously over the flooded river. If the branch fell, the babies would not survive. "This is a job for the monkeys and eagles," shouted Berfine. The strong monkeys swung from tree to tree, reaching the fragile nest. Carefully, they passed the baby birds one by one to the waiting eagles, who flew them to safety. The mother bird chirped in gratitude, hugging her little ones close. Chapter 6. The Forest Reunited. After hours of hard work, every lost animal had been found and brought back safely. The storm had caused chaos, but through teamwork, kindness, and bravery, the forest was whole again. That night, the animals gathered under the moonlight to celebrate. "Today, we learned that when we stand together, no challenge is too big," said Berfine proudly. Animals cheered, a bond of care.